on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk.
Hey y'all, welcome back to today's vlog. This vlog is basically going to be me setting myself up to go to the shop and also go travel to a client. So I'll see you guys when we get to the shop.
Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Me a paper towel, give me another value. Skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you prove better than you do. Just call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need, it's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, long as we got. Should never give you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I split it with you. I regret it, you got some fetish, you got some problem.
Just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it.
Hey y'all, so I just made it to my fourth client of the day. Well, it's her and a few of her friends. They're a part of the AKAs, so I guess AKA would be this, right? I'm not sure, I'm not an AKA, but yeah. So she's one of my more high profile clients. So she just flew in, so I have to go do her real quick, and my hair looks a hot mess because I'm gonna get my hair done this week, and you guys will see it in a couple of days. To pack everything up, it's 2:52 right now, and I have to be there at 3, but I'm right downstairs. I just gotta pack everything up and make it upstairs, but the parking is kind of far, y'all. Like, I'm gonna try to hurry up and get upstairs so I can set up so that I can do her. I'm gonna ask her if I can film a little bit. Some clients are fairly they don't like really being put on camera, but I'm gonna ask her and see what she says. If she says okay, then I'll bring y'all along. If not, then I'll see y'all when I'm done.
Skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it.
Okay, y'all, so she didn't mind being on film, but it was like I ended up doing more people than I anticipated. I was kind of on a time crunch, so I really didn't have time to kind of bring the camera out and be able to film and everything at the same time. So wasn't able to do that after I gave me something to eat. My day is pretty much done. I have somebody who called me maybe about an hour ago, and they want their makeup done, but that's not until like 11 o'clock at night, so that probably won't make this video today. I might add it into tomorrow's footage. I'm not sure. It just depends on how the rest of the day goes. So I want to thank everyone for watching today's vlog. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're someone who's already been here, baby, I will see you tomorrow, baby.